Welcome back to English Trending.
where you learn, grow, and stay trending.
Have you ever tried to talk about your daily routine in English and felt unsure?
Yes, you know the words, you know the grammar, but somehow it doesn't sound confident.
Exactly. Today, we're going beyond grammar and vocabulary. We're giving you smart strategies to sound confident.
Let's dive in. Tip 1. Speak like you know what you're doing. Confidence starts with your mindset. Don't apologize for your English.
So, what does that sound like in practice?
Well, many people say things like, I think I wake up at 7. That sounds unsure, right?
Exactly. Drop the I think. Just say, I wake up at 7 a.m. Done.
Short, clear, certain. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, confidence comes first.
Here's a little mental trick. Pretend you are explaining your routine to a close friend. That one shift completely changes your tone.
It really does. Speak to a friend, not to a grammar book.
Okay, tip 2. Avoid over-explaining. Chris, can you show us what over-explaining sounds like?
Sure. I wake up at 7, then I brush my teeth, then I take a shower, then I wash my face, then I get dressed, then I...
Stop! That is exactly it. Over-explaining sounds nervous and unorganized.
So instead, summarize smartly. I wake up at 7, freshen up, and have breakfast.
Did you notice? Same information, half the words, twice the confidence.
Less is more, always.
Tip 3 is one of my favorites. Use strong verbs.
Weak verbs equal a weak impression. Words like do, go, make are fine, but power verbs add real confidence.
Let's do a quick swap game. Chris, say the weak version first, then I'll give the upgrade.
Okay, go to work.
Say head to work. It sounds so much more natural.
Relax.
Say unwind. One word, but instantly more polished.
Be with my family.
Say spend time with my family. That's the expression native speakers actually use.
See what you did there? Small change in verbs, big change in tone. Tip 4. Use pauses, not filler words.
Nothing kills confidence faster than, like,
I'll be honest, I used to say every 5 seconds.
most people do. But here's the fix. When you feel an coming, just pause instead. Take a breath, think for 1 or 2 seconds, then speak.
That pause feels long to you, but to the listener, it sounds natural and thoughtful.
Exactly. Pausing shows you are thinking, not panicking.
And remember, even native speakers pause, so don't be afraid of silence for a second.
And tip 5, connect your sentences. This one makes the biggest difference in how you sound.
Right. Without connectors, you sound like a list. Listen, I wake up, I have breakfast, I go to work, I come back, I sleep.
That sounds like a shopping receipt, not a conversation.
Exactly. So we add connectors. First, then, after that, later, finally.
Now listen to the same routine with connectors. I usually wake up at 7, then I have breakfast and head to work. In the evening, I return home and unwind before going to bed.
Same routine, completely different impression. That is the power of connectors. Okay, before we move on, let's talk about the most common mistakes learners make. Jessica, you want to start?
Number 1, overthinking every single word before you speak. That kills your flow completely.
Number 2, using too many filler words. Like, they add up fast and sound unconfident.
Number 3, translating word for word from your native language. English has its own patterns. Trust them.
Number 4, overexplaining tiny details. We already covered that one. Less is more. Always.
And number 5, speaking either too fast because you're nervous or too slow because you're overthinking.
Fix these 5 things, and your daily routine speech will sound polished and confident, even at A2 level.
Okay, one bonus tip, and this one actually works.
What is it?
Record yourself. Seriously, just talk about your daily routine, record it, and listen back.
Oh, and when you listen, you will catch everything. The ums, the weak verbs, the moments where you rushed.
Exactly. Then shadow your own voice. Repeat the better version out loud.
And do this once a day, just 5 minutes. Small, consistent practice beats memorizing grammar rules every single time.
5 minutes a day. That's all it takes.
All right, let's bring it all together. Jessica, show us what a fully confident answer sounds like.
My day usually starts at 7 a.m. I wake up, freshen up, and have breakfast. Then I head to work and focus on my tasks. In the evening, I return home, unwind, and spend time with my family before going to bed at 11 p.m.
Did you hear that? Confident tone from the very first word.
Strong verbs. Head to work, focus, unwind, spend time.
Natural pauses. No no rushing.
Smooth connectors. Then, in the evening, before going to bed.
And absolutely zero over-explaining. That is the goal right there.
Remember, confidence is a skill, not luck. You build it one sentence at a time.
Use short, clear sentences, strong verbs, smart pauses, and connect it all with good flow.
If today's tips helped you feel more confident, share this episode with someone who needs it. One share can genuinely change someone's English journey.
And if you're not following us yet, do it right now. New episodes drop every week, and you don't want to miss a single one.
We're building a family of English learners here, and every follow, every share, it means everything to us.
Here's your challenge for today. Record yourself talking about your daily routine using everything we covered. Strong verbs, connectors, no filler words. Go.
Send it to us. We would genuinely love to hear your progress.
Subscribe, share, practice. Let's grow together.
See you in the next episode. Keep trending.